Welcome back everyone to another tutorial. Today we're going to see how to use Anydesk. Firstly, on the remote computer, the one you want to access, open the Anydesk application. Click on Settings from the main menu and then navigate to Access Settings. Now in the Unattended Access section, click Set Password and create a strong, secure password for remote access. Just click Apply to confirm, and you've now enabled unattended access. This means you can connect to this computer anytime using your password. Now make sure Anydesk is installed on both the remote device and the local device, which is the one you'll use to control. You can download Anydesk from their official website, and on the remote computer, note down the Anydesk ID or alias. On your local device, open Anydesk and enter the remote ID in the remote address field, then press Enter or click Connect. Now, depending on your setup, if unattended access is enabled, enter the password you set earlier, or if not, the remote user will need to accept your request manually. And once connected, you'll see the remote desktop and can control it as you were sitting in front of it. You can end the remote control session at any time. Just from the local controlling device, click Disconnect, or from the remote control device, close the Anydesk session window. And you've successfully set up and used Anydesk unattended access to manage another device remotely. And that's it guys, as simple as that. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.